What's going on, guys? It's your boy Peace right here. Today I'm doing a brake change on my 2008 Chevy. So I just want to say it's really important to always maintain your truck. Always walk around the truck, make sure there's no nails in there, make sure there's not a flat, and all the above, guys. See this tire right here? I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a nail somewhere on there. And on the other side, as you can see, the tire is really low. It has a leakage somewhere. So I can't stress this enough, guys. It's really important to do a weekly inspection on your truck. Make sure everything is in good running condition. So I don't know how you all do it, monthly, weekly, yearly. But I like to do mine every week. It's all for safety purposes. You gotta really decide what's more important. Is that money important or your life important? All right, you know what they say, you only got one life to live and you better live it. So don't be greedy, forget about your safety. All right, so yeah, you guys take time as often as you can. Make sure you do a nice inspection on your truck. Make sure it's in good running condition. Right, that's safety for you and your family. All right, guys, so if you guys like this content, go ahead and like and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below and I'll get back to you, alright? So yeah. Hey, Rope, you want to say something to the people? That's all he can say. I think that's all he knows how to say. Alright, guys. Peace out, guys.